Research can be tricky. This presentation will give you basic information about finding relevant sources and creating a works cited page. This instruction meets the Common Core Writing Standard number 8 for multiple grades. These are the 3 types of sources that this presentation discusses. Let's start with print resources. In order to find a relevant book, first narrow your research topic into keywords or phrases to use when searching your library database. Once you find a book, skim the table of contents and the index for your keywords. Once you find the page that the information is located on, skim the page for your keywords to make sure the context will align with your research questions. I use sticky notes to mark the pages. In order to cite this source, you will need the information listed on the right. Now let's talk about online resources. First, you'll need to use your keywords to search for basic information. You can use the original Google search engine for this. Keep in mind that URLs ending in .gov, .edu, and .org will yield the most accurate results. In order to cite this type of source, you will need the information listed on the right. For more specific information, you may want to look for academic journal articles. You can find these by searching Google Scholar or library databases. In order to cite this type of resource, you will need the information on the right. The last 2 apply only to journal articles found online. Here are a few resources to help you create a works cited page. This is an example works cited page. Notice it's in alphabetical order by author's last name. Also, the format of hanging indentation is required. Now it's your turn.